If you want to live a life of true happiness and true comfort, then create in your life the ability to be self-sufficient and self-sufficient. 5 things are the mark of the dead club. Sinning in the hope of repentance. Learning knowledge and not acting bury the dead and do not take a lesson. The 3 types of intoxicants are very fast. Intoxication of wealth. Intoxication of beauty, intoxication of money. The first 2 of these are declining drug knowledge developing. The servant whose heart is in need of the mercy of fate is a slave, neither man nor inferior. His life can never be a happy and successful life. In fact, a man is one who has no fear of anything in his heart, nor of the earth, nor of the forest, nor of the ruler, nor of the ruler, nor of fortune, nor of death, nor of misery, but of Allah. In fact, a man is one who has no fear of anything in his heart, nor of the earth, nor of the forest, nor of the ruler, nor of the ruler, nor of fortune, nor of death, nor of misery, but of Allah. If a fruit is used in 2 ways, then 20 kilograms weight can be lost in 10 days, and that is ginger mixed with cumin and ginger in lukewarm water. The confidence that mountains can be removed from their place is man's trust in himself. Duty is a debt that no one else can pay. Better a poor horse than no horse at all.